If this what love is, then I don't want it. What's more important? You sure are gorgeous. Worry about your ex. Worry about your ex. You should be worried about what's next. Tell me how much time, baby. Where would I be without those eyes?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Erin Vet, and today I'm going to be doing a really quick tutorial. I feel like this look is perfect for the summer, super quick, super cute, and I feel like it's perfect for natural hair. I'll be sure to leave all details in the description box, as well as any other products that you may need to create this look. Alright, so I've got my hair pretty much sleeked, as slick as it's going to get. I want to give a disclaimer because I know I'm going to get a lot of comments. I do not know how to sleek my hair, like sleek back. I have multiple curly textures, as you guys would have seen throughout this tutorial, and the only way I know how to get your hair super sleek is for me to apply heat and straightening and blowing it out, which I don't put heat on my hair at all, periods. I just don't, so I'm not gonna do it. Just not. All you need is a little bit of heat, sis. No, I'm not doing it. I was sent 3 packs, this is only 2, but I was sent 3 packs of their KINKY straight hair. It looks so good, look. And the hair is super soft. It matches my hair perfectly, which never happens like ever in life, bro. I'm not going to be straightening it or anything because of the waves in my natural hair. I want it to match this hair as best as possible. So as you guys can see, I do have my natural waves here. That's just how my hair is. This is how I sleek my hair. You're gonna literally take your bobby pin, right? So I take this and I fold it, right? Can you guys see that? So it's straight, and then I fold it kind of a little bit, not even a full inch, so it looks like a little loop there. Then I stick my bobby pin down in the loop so it looks like that. And now that it's like that, I take the whole loop and I stick this down into my bun. So what I'm gonna do now is take a pause. I've wrapped it about 4 times, and now I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin. I don't like to use too many bobby pins because it makes my hair hurt after a while, but I do like to make sure it's nice and secure. With it pulled back like so, I'm just fluffing and make sure it covers my bun down there. What I'm gonna do now is take some of this oil sheen. This is a lot of body with coconut and shea oils illuminating mist. I'm gonna stick this on the ends and on the pony, just so that it's not dry. And lastly, for my edges, they are already kind of sleeked back, I'm gonna use a little bit of Eco Styling Gel.